Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Malikai binti Muhammad Ihsan and my matric ID is in CA19032. Our group name is Phonics, and for our group we choose car rental systems. As for case study number 3, a car rental is a vehicle that may be rented for charge and utilized for a specific amount of time. People who do not have access to their own personal vehicle or do not possess a vehicle at all can use a car rental automobile to travel around, especially for students. This current system is entirely manual. In a manual system, there is always the potential of human mistakes such as data redundancy. Therefore, the odds of errors are very high, and figuring out such faults is also a very time-consuming process. As a result, the UMP opted to transition from a manual to an automated computerized system. Thus, the UMP vehicle rental system has arrived. The vehicle rental system is a system that enables customers, as in UMP students, to rent a vehicle via the internet. This system is simple to operate because there will be less errors than a manual approach. To begin with, the students must enter their name, their age, phone number, matric numbers, license number, origin, and address. To rent a vehicle, the students can select from a motorcycles and a car with 5 seats. Each variety will have a different pricings. After that, the students must enter their desired rental date, time, and hour into the system. As for the coding, this is our Phonics Group C coding for the car rental systems. When we run the coding, we can see the main menu of UMP student car rental systems. It will state the date and time for today. And for the main menu, they will be inserting the data, delete data, update data, search data, sorting data, display data, and also exit. Students can select any number in order whether they want to insert data, delete it, update it, search it, or sorting it according to the students they have inserting their data into the systems, and also they can display the data. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Danisha and today I'll be explaining about the insert part for the car rental system. So let's begin with the insert. So what can the customers insert into the system? Well, they can insert information such as their name, age, their nationality, IC number, their address. So beginning with the name. So when the customer first enters the system, they'll be asked to enter their name. So after they enter their name, they'll be asked to enter their age and also their student status. Now this student status can be decided by two factors, either with they are a local student or they are a foreign student. So to determine a local student, number one is selected. Determine whether it's a foreign student, and number two. Besides that, you also have to enter your ID, your nationality, your student ID, and also your license serial code. After that, you will have to enter the type of vehicle you want to rent, whether it's a 5-seater vehicle or a 7-seater vehicle. Then you have to enter the rent date, the rent time, and the rent hour. This will help the system calculate the total bill. After entering all this information, the system will register the customer in the database. So that is all from me. Thank you.
For the case study 1, car rental system is based on a concept to rent car and generate rental invoice from a rental company. Before stepping into the main system, a user has to pass through a login system to get access. Then, only the user can select car with different model and rent for Saturday. This mini project contains limit feature, but the essential one. Talking about the future of the car rental system, the data of the user can be alter or update after they finish inserting their information if they have any last-minute plan changing at the end of the process. The new user data will be displayed. Hi everyone, my name is Ortek Singh and my metric number is CD20097. And today I want to talk about the data delete. First, the header have used if-else function. If top less than 0, it will print out the record empty and press any key to the main menu. Else, it will print out enter the return ID to delete. If top equals top minus 1, it will print out record delete and press any key to the main menu. And if top less than 0, it will print out result not found and then press any key to the main menu. Next, for the data updates, the header have used if-else function also. And if top less than 0, it will print out record empty. Else, it will print out enter return ID to update. And if update equal 1, it will print out return record updates and press any key to the menu. Else, it will print out update return is cancelled and press any key to the main menu. And then, if u-flat equal 1, it will print out the record not exist. And next, I will run the coding. And now you can see the number 2 and 3 is the delete data and update data. First, I will try the delete data. And you can see the record is empty because they have no any record yet. And same for the update data, is still out the record empty because don't have any record yet. And that's for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Ikmal bin Rala and my ID number is CD2083. Okay, I'm going to explain about case study 2, which is car rental system is a website for a car rental company. Users can rent a car easily when going anywhere just by using the system online. So with this, user do not have to worry about no vehicle when going somewhere. Users only need to fill in some information to use the system. The system can solve problems to users who do not have a car to use at any time. Car rental system have some advantages and disadvantages. First, advantage can save user many times. User only need to fill in some information to use the system. Second, this method can provide consumers with immediate assistance. And for disadvantage, the system doesn't have a back button. When users key in wrong information, users need to fill in all information first before filling in new information. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate on searching and sorting data. First, we need to select the number to access. I'm going to go with the rental ID, which is number 1. Okay, next we're going to sort based on name, and after we display the data will be sorted based on alphabetically. Yes. As we can see. Okay, next, okay, now we're going to search the data. We need to click 4 to search the data, and we're going to try the rental ID. And if we insert wrong rental ID, then we need to go back for previous page, and then we try to insert to searching by name, which is we need to click 2 to search for our name. I'm sorry. And we if we insert the name that available in the data, and they will show you and display the data about the name that we search. And that's how sorting and searching works. Every time we enter false data, it will not show up, and every time we search certain data such as rental ID or name, and if the data we have on the database, it will show up and display the data about the thing that we have searched. That's all for me.
Hello and good day everyone. My name is Farah Wanias Rinda binti Mustafa, matric number CD20052. I will present about displaying data and conclusions. In displaying data part, we use function void name as data display. For this coding, the user need to insert data first. If there is no data, record empty will be shown. Else, if there is a data, it will ask user which data they want to display. For example, local student, foreigner student, 5-seater vehicles, 7-seater vehicles, and lastly, exit options. Next step, we use for loop to show the details of the customer after they key in the detail they want to display. Then we use if else to print out no related record found if the data they want to display is not exist. So let me show you one of the example output. So let me show you the output example. First, we need to enter 6 to display the data. Once you enter 6, it will show you 6 options in here. First, local student, second, foreigner student, 3 5-seater vehicles, 4 7-seater vehicles, 5 all record, or 0 to exit. So let me show you. We enter 3 5-seater vehicles. In here, it shows 3 persons that rent 5-seater vehicles: Muhammad Shafiq, Nurul Shaza, and Johnson Lucas. Then we enter any key to go back to the main menu. What if we display foreigner student number 2? Okay, here it shows two names, which is Johnson Lucas and Jung Ho Soks. And as for the conclusion, the system we made is to make sure it is easier to collect data of the customer that rent the car. Other than that, based on the information, the system also able to calculate the total amount due before and after discount. We also, from the system, it is also easier to insert data, delete, update, search, sorting, and display the data. I think that's all from us. Thank you.